Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by naming the journal's role and taking the first tangible steps. Pick size and layout, then commit to a short daily window. 5 minutes is enough. Once done, write today's date, list one priority, and jot a one-sentence goal so you create momentum. Explain why. A clear initial action reduces resistance and builds habit. Make sure to keep the pen handy. The friction of searching for a pen kills consistency. Now you expand into a repeatable structure that supports clearer thinking. Divide pages into index, daily, weekly, and free notes so you can find things later. Once that's set, use small templates, morning log with intent, nightly reflection with one win and one lesson, and a task list you review. Explain why. Consistent formats cut decision fatigue and speed writing. Make sure to apply quick symbols for status. They let you scan progress in seconds. Finish by building review rituals that turn entries into growth. Every week, migrate unfinished tasks, highlight wins, and tweak priorities. This reinforces progress. Once a month, create a snapshot summarizing themes and pick 3 outcomes to focus on. Explain why. Reflection converts notes into decisions and momentum. If you fall off track, troubleshoot fast, shorten sessions to 2 minutes and anchor to an existing habit like coffee. Make sure to be forgiving. Consistency beats perfection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.